Hi, boys and girls. Miss Evans here. How are you guys doing today? I hope everybody's doing wonderful. It's a beautiful day. So, good afternoon. Today is Monday, April the 20th of the year 2020. Hoy es lunes, el 20 de abril del año 2020. Y estamos en la semana 5 de el aprendizaje de larga distancia. So, we're in week 5 of our distance learning. And I'm sure you guys have heard that we're going to continue this way for the rest of the year because that's what's going to keep everyone safe. So even though we're not going to get to see each other every day, and even though we wanted to, we're going to keep doing and making videos for you guys and read alouds and directed drawings and activities so that we can still stay connected. So it is sad. I was a little bummed out and disappointed, but my job is just to make sure that I'm teaching you guys and that I'm bringing you guys joy and happiness. So I will keep doing that as best as I can. So today for Emoji Monday, what emoji represents how you're feeling today? So it's sunny out. As you can see, I'm in the backyard and there's my garden right back there, and I just planted some stuff. So you can see kind of a few plants. The big one there is a tomato plant, una planta de tomates. Así que estoy esperando que ya crezcan y puedo comer tomates todos los días. I'm waiting for my tomatoes to start growing so that I can eat tomatoes every single day. So I would have to say that I'm feeling good right here. And part of me is also feeling kind of funny. So, a funny story. We have our dog Rocco and we have dog clippers. Well, Tito's hair got so long that my husband cut my son's hair with dog clippers. I was laughing so hard. But you know what? He did a pretty good job. So that was good. I was excited that he did a good job. All right, let's go to the next message. Our snap words for this week. We have the word too, T-O-O. And you're going to use this word too, like if you're saying, oh, I like that too. It's almost like if you mean also. Are you going to go to the park? I'm going there too. I'm going there also. So it's not the same as the other two, where it's like we went to the park. That's kind of showing what you did. This type of to means also or as well. So we jumped on the trampoline and you might say, oh, I did too. That's how you would use it. T-O-O. Our other word is the word love. Love. And we covered this word in the month of February when we celebrated Valentine's Day and we made Valentines and we wrote that we love mom and we love dad. So you should have some familiarity with the word love. Now we're going to review come, which was from last week and I think the week before. C-O-M-E, come, and are, A-R-E, like they are inside the house. We are outside. En español tenemos las palabras muchos, muchos, así que son partes de dos sílabas. Una niña está fuera y se llama Isabela. Isabella's outside. So we said una. Una means one. Esta es mi hija. Okay, we're going to keep going to the next screen. So this week, you guys are working on R blends. So that means we're going to have a consonant with the letter R. And remember, when they come together, you're going to hear that blend. So one of the ones that you're going to have is BR, and that's the bruh, kind of like brown, brat, breaking, Brooklyn, brag, or brother. So when you start writing and you're listening to those blends, you know, like if you're writing the word brother, if you have one, it's going to be BR. Our next one is the CR blend, like in crab, crack, Crayola, crayons, crackers, crow, creature. Then we have DR, as in draw, drove, drum, dragon, drone. And sometimes you'll even find blends in the middle of words like Andrew. Our next one is friend. Not friend. I'm so sorry. FR. Fr. I like in the word friend, frog, Franco, freaky, Friday, Frankenstein, and French fry. And I know that this one here, I guess it was done in a very light pink. It's the PR blend, and it's kind of hard to see, but that's like when you see it in, like if someone does a prank, or in the word pretzel, or when you say, I feel proud of myself. Whoops, let me go back. I didn't mean to do that. There we go. Press, pray, prop, and prairie dogs. Or when you feel proud, you can use that one. And we also have TR, which makes the tr, as in train, treasure, truck, trash, tree, or around Halloween we go and we say trick or treat. So you'll be listening to those R blends this week for phonics. So on Wednesday, we and the nation's going to be celebrating Earth Day on April 22nd on Wednesday. So some of the concepts that we want you to remember is to reduce, reuse, and recycle. So when you reduce, that's using less of something. When you're brushing your teeth, instead of leaving the water on, you can reduce it by turning the water off, brush your teeth, and then turn on the water to rinse it. When you leave a room, turn off the lights. When you're doing work, use both sides of the paper. That's how you reduce. So you're making less waste. Reuse means to use an item again. So for example, you can use a water bottle. Remember, Miss Evans would always come to school with her big can. It was like the water. And every day I would just reuse it. I would wash it out, wash the straw, wash the top, and I would just put fresh water in the morning. So I was reusing a container. Sometimes at the grocery store, people will bring their own bags. Those are reusable bags. Recycle means to make new items from old ones. So sometimes, right now, you see a lot of people making masks, and you can make masks from leggings, you can make masks from old clothes that you have. I saw on YouTube somebody made a mask from socks. So they're recycling, they're making a new item from an old one. You can recycle bottles, glass, paper, cans, plastic, books, crayons, cardboard. So we have a really fun project for you guys for this week to make a recycle robot. And we would have done this in class. We would have asked all the parents to send in boxes and anything that they kind of what we would consider trash. And then we would all get into groups and we would build robots with it. And you can use bottle caps for the eyelids, anything you want. So that's one of your seesaw activities. And actually, Tito, my son in fourth grade, gets to create something for Earth Day with a recycled, something that he makes as well. So we're going to probably make a robot, and I'll send you pictures of what that looks like when we're done. Our last message. So once a week, I do want to start working on this. I'm just going to move this over, which is a word problem. As you guys are preparing to get yourselves ready for first grade, para primer grado, it's very important that you start getting used to this because you're going to be learning a specific method on how to solve word problems. So Miss Evans is going to start doing these once a week with you. And the neat thing is we're going to show the picture to show the work. We're also going to be doing and working it out on a number line, writing the equation, and doing the egg. So there is, let's see, a way for us to draw on here. Let me see. Here it is. And let me see if I can present. Okay, well, we'll keep it small. That way you guys can kind of see. But this problem says Kip has 10 eggs. How many eggs? 10. So I'm actually going to go ahead and underline that. Sam has 5 less eggs. 5 less. Less, that's not going to be more. That's the opposite of more. Less means smaller. And if it's smaller, I got to really think about what I'm going to do there. How many eggs does Sam have? So I'm going to do a little K here, and this represents hips. So I'm going to just draw them. 1, 2, and I know it's not the best. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and I know it said that Sam has 5 less. Less means it's smaller. If my number was here and I'm going this way, I'm taking away, that means I am going to subtract. So I have to show this work to show how many Sam is actually going to have. So I'm going to start crossing out over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to make a circle to show how many Sam actually has. And I'm going to put the letter S here for Sam. So that's a way for me to show my work. Now I'm going to go ahead and do it on the number line. So Kip, and we'll go ahead and do it in a green color. Kip had 10. So we're starting here on number 10. But on a number line, it says less. Less means I'm going to take away. I'm subtracting. So I have to do 5 jumps on the number line. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. And I'm going to circle my number 5. Now I'm going to go ahead and write what my equation is. So I had 10 minus 5. And I know my writing isn't perfect on here because I'm just using this my finger, and so it's a kind of a hot mess, but 10 minus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My answer is 5. So how many eggs does Sam have? Sam has 5 eggs. Okay, so this is something that we're going to start getting used to, doing some of these word problems where we're working it all out that way so that you guys can see all the different ways that you can use the strategies like drawing your picture, using your number line, and writing your equation in a number. Boys and girls, I miss you so much. The kindergarten team is coming up with a way to kind of surprise y'all coming up in the next few weeks. So parents, I will be getting in contact with you to do that. Please make sure you're checking the mail this week, and maybe into the weekend and next week. I don't know how long it's going to take, but there is something coming for you in the mail. I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday and that it lasts all through the week. I'm sending you guys big, big hugs. I miss you so much. Miss Evans loves you guys so much. I'm so proud of the work that you guys are doing on Seesaw, and I'm loving the videos. The videos make my heart so happy. So keep sending those videos, keep sending the pictures. Have a wonderful day. We will get through this together. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye, guys.